This is Chap Nova. Today I'm going to show you how to back up your WordPress website on Autopilot with free WordPress plugin called UpdraftPlus. Okay, so what I need you to do is I need you to log in to your WordPress website, come to dashboard. Just wanted to let you know at the end of this video I'm going to show you how you can get access to my free WordPress learning tutorial videos. Okay, that you will learn how to use WordPress. It's set up for WordPress beginners and intermediates, and even some people that are advanced that maybe forget certain things about WordPress. But I set this site up because when I first got started with WordPress, it was very hard to find different how to use WordPress, training videos, tutorials about WordPress, learning WordPress, all that stuff. So I decided to put a website together. It's an e-learning website that you can go at your own pace. It's 100% free, and I'm going to show you at the end of this video how you can get access to that for 100% free for life. Okay, so what I want you to do is, like I said, log into your WordPress website, come to dashboard, click on plugins right here, come up here to add new, then I want you to type in Updraft Plus, then click right here on install now. Very, very simple. Click activate. All right, so here we go here. Let me go here. And what we need to do is we need to click on Updraft Backups. I already had it set up so it had a weird error thing. All right. So what we need to do when we first come here is we need to go to settings. Okay. And it's automatically set on manual. You need to decide, okay, how you want to back up your site. Okay. They have two options right here. You always want to back up both. The one option is backing up the files to your WordPress website and then backing up the database to your WordPress website. Okay. So you can scroll in here and you can check, depending on how often you want to back up your site, every 2 hours, 4 hours, 8 hours, 12 hours, and obviously daily, every 24 hours, weekly, and then nightly, and then monthly, okay? I always set it with just right here on 2. I always like to have 2 backups. And me, usually I like to do it daily, but this is just a test site, so I'm just going to do it weekly. And then what you want to do is you want to set the same thing right here to weekly. And then what you do is you just come down here and you choose where you want your files to be backed up, okay? If you have a Gmail account, it's going to be very simple because you already have a Google Drive account. It will automatically be set up, so all you would have to do is just click Google Drive right here. And then you just come down here and you click Save. It's going to go through the process right here. What you're going to do is you're going to click right here. Then you're going to choose which account that you want your backups to go to on your Google Drive. You say yes. I will allow UpdraftPlus to back up my WordPress website on my Google Drive, and then click Complete Setup. And there you have it. It's all set up now. What I recommend you do, though, when you first back up your WordPress or first set this thing up, is you should back up your WordPress website manually, okay? And all you have to do is just click right here, back up now. Check every box, or keep all these boxes checked. Don't check anything else. Click on backup. My site is small, so it's not going to take much time. If you have a big site, it might take a little bit longer depending on how quick your hosting account or how much traffic your WordPress website's getting. But like I said, it might take a little bit of time. Mine will not, because this is just a WordPress testing site that I have. Okay, so we'll just let it go through the process. It's actually very quick too. There we go. It says it's all done. So you can see it added it to your remote storage of Google Drive. Now, if you have a problem and something goes wrong with your site and you log in here and you go, oh my gosh, my site is messed up, then what you can do is you can come right over here and click Restore and then go through the steps right there. All you'll do is just click right here. You'll check all these boxes and you just click Next and it will restore your website. It's very, very simple. It's just like click, 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 and then basically UpdraftPlus goes in there and updates your site, and then you're back in business. Okay, so what I wanted to do is, if you have any kind of questions about UpdraftPlus or anything like that, I know that they have different paid versions and stuff like that, but you really don't even need to worry about it. If you think you do, then obviously you can look at their premium extensions and other things that they can do. But really, for basic, backing up your WordPress website, this is going to be good enough for you. So if you have any kind of questions below this video here in the comments area, you can post them and I'll get back to you as soon as possible. And like I said, I was going to show you, if you're new to WordPress and you don't know how to use WordPress and you really need a helping hand, like I said, I built a site called WPLearning101.com. It's WordPress tutorial videos for beginners. It's set up for beginners and intermediates and people that, might be advanced, that might forget things, but it's 100% free. You can scroll down on the site and you can learn more. You can actually watch the video right here. You can, scroll right here. You'll also get a free WP Learning 101 guide. It's a free WordPress guide that will teach you WordPress in a PDF file. Let's see, let's just scroll down more here. You can just, like I said, you can just read more about what you're going to learn. Here's some paid versions. Don't even worry about those. Once you know WordPress, if you feel like you want to learn these things, you can click on any of these and purchase these. But like I said, I'm not asking you to buy anything. I just want you to get our free WordPress tutorials that can help you today with learning how to use WordPress. Okay, right here, this frequently asked questions. You can go through all of them if you have, want to, read all of them. But right here, this will show you all the videos. We have 31 videos right now. We're always updating videos. We're always adding new videos when we need to update new ones when a big change has happened to WordPress, okay? So, if you're new, obviously, you need to buy your own domain. You need to get your hosting, go through all the steps. But, if you're not there, then obviously you might not have to you might not have to watch these particular videos right here. But if you're new to WordPress, then you'll obviously watch all these videos, 1 and 2, and then 3, 4. And this will teach you from A to Z how to use WordPress, what you need to do, all the ins and outs, and it will answer all your questions. And like I said, if you ever have any kind of questions, and just like right here, most people don't have a clue on how to set up, Google Analytics. This video right here will show you exactly a WordPress plugin that actually Google created that sets your site up, and it will track all your stuff, and it's very, very simple. And this video will show you exactly how. But if you have other kind of questions where you're just like, gosh, WordPress looks kind of complex, I've got some more questions. What you can do is you can come up here and click on our support, and you can see there's our phone number, and here's our address right here. Just put in your name, your email address, and then your question right here, and then click this box right here. This allows you to send it to me, and it basically says you're allowing us to contact you back to help you, okay? And then once we get that message from you, we will get back to you as soon as possible and help you with your WordPress questions, okay? We are here to help. That's why I make these videos, and that's why I made this video today about helping you learn how to back up your WordPress website on Autopilot. Again, my name's Chaparnova. If you have any questions below this video, post them in the comments, and I will get back to them as soon as possible. Thanks again for taking the time for watching this video and learning what I showed you today. Make sure you share this video and like it and let other people know about it. That's how it builds our channel and allows people to, get these great free videos and, these free tutorials that we're given on WPLearning101.com. Because like I said, we're here to help, and it was hard when we first got started. So we want to make it a lot simpler for you. That's why we say WordPress Learning Made Simple. All right. So again, this is Chaparnova. Have yourself a great day, and we'll see you on the next video that we make. All right. Talk to you soon. Bye-bye.